How to check Snapchat streak timer. So basically, I'm just going to send a snap to one of my friend over here. So I have sent him a snap just now. That means now I have 24 hours until my Snapchat streak ends, okay? Now if we have the fire emoji icon, so let me just show you the icon for those people who don't know it. So over here, if you see a fire emoji icon right beside your snap icon like this, that means you have 24 hours until your Snapchat streak ends. But if you get a little sand icon, let me show you. But if you get an icon like this right beside your Snapchat, that means you have less than 4 hours before your Snapchat streak ends. So you need to send your friend a snap and he has to send you a snap within that 4 hours for your streak to continue. So these are the two things you can watch in order to check your Snapchat. If you get the fire icon, that means you're good. But if you get the timer icon, that means you have less than 4 hours. So that's how we guys can kind of guess how much time you have, because Snapchat doesn't show you the exact time. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.